All right, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe an area of science that you are interested in and would like to learn.
I find all areas of science is interesting, but one I like the most is geography. When I was in my childhood, one day I remember I was switching channels, and suddenly I stopped at a channel where it was showing some mountains and uh, giving details about them. So from that, my interest started to begin in it. So I find it interesting because I love to travel also, and it help us to understand the climate regions of different areas of the world and different regions of the world, and
Carry on, yeah.
regions of the world.
Okay, so whatever you prepared, it took only 35 seconds to complete all. So you need to speak for minimum 1 minute, right? So try to explain further, elaborate further. Overall, your speaking is good, but you need to do practice. And the talk time for cue card is minimum 1 minute. If it is less than a minute, you'll be penalized severely for that, right? Thank you.